Arrange the Indian motorcycle adapter plate on the Let's Roll lift as shown. The wide end of the eye map will be faced toward the rear tire of the motorcycle. With the lift lowered, slide the lift and eye map under the motorcycle from the right side of the motorcycle. This should be the opposite side of the kickstand. Alignment of the eye map is very important to assure the motorcycle is lifted securely and safely. The backside, rear of the eye map should be a ½ inch in front of the crossover exhaust pipe under the motorcycle. The left side of the eye map should be next to the inside of the kickstand bracket. If the bike has a clutch cable that hangs below the left side of the motorcycle, the eye map should be arranged so the cable is not crushed. Slowly crank the lift with a 7/8 ratchet until the kickstand is a ½ inch off the ground. Recheck the alignment of the eye map. You should be able to feel the center of the crankcase through the 2 holes of the eye map. If the eye map is not centered on seam of the crankcase, lower the lift and motorcycle and adjust the eye map and try again. Once the alignment of the eye map has been confirmed, raise the lift with the ratchet until it is high enough to roll the Let's Roll dolly in from the kickstand side of the motorcycle. Align the dolly so the kickstand does not interfere with the swivel of the caster on the dolly. Lower the lift so the dolly is resting on the eye map and dolly, then slide the lift out from under the motorcycle.